to hear each sound. Where are ears? Good. One little nose to smell what's sweet. Where's our nose? Good, good. One little mouth that likes to eat. What do we eat? We eat cupcakes? Yeah, today we do. Kangaroos jump? Can you guys jump? Show me how kangaroos jump. See, Tristan? Good work. Good job, Joel. And then they tiptoed right away. Tiptoe. Can you show me how you tiptoe? Yeah. Let's see. Good. You're sneaky. Good.
Daddy duck and quack quack.
He quacked too. One little duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And 5 little ducks came swimming back. 10 little monkeys. Can we count to 10? That's bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Want to get up to